Welcome back to Everyday English 360. If you enjoy learning English in a fun and simple way, please like this video and subscribe for more friendly English talks.
Yes, please click that subscribe button because it really helps our channel grow and it makes us super happy. Today we are talking about one of my favorite things, shopping.
Oh, yes, shopping. I think everyone likes shopping, but maybe our wallets do not like it so much.
Yes, my wallet cries every time I go to the mall, but really, shopping is a great topic for English learners because we use these phrases all the time.
That's true. So let's start with something simple. When you go shopping, what do you usually say first?
Usually I start with, "Hi, do you have this in my size?" Because honestly, finding my size is my biggest problem in life.
Haha, same here. Sometimes I feel like every size is the wrong size for me. But yes, that is a great expression. Do you have this in my size?
Another expression I use is, "How much is this?" I say it a lot because sometimes the price tag is hiding like it is playing a secret game.
Yes. Why do price tags always hide? We need a detective to find them. But yes, how much is this? Is a very basic and useful question for shopping.
And after that, sometimes I say, "Do you have any discount?" or "Is there a sale today?" Because who doesn't love a good sale?
Oh, yes, a sale makes everything feel better. Even if I don't need it, if it's on sale, suddenly I want it.
Same. My brain says, "You don't need it," but my heart says, "It's 50% off."
Ha ha. I think many people understand that feeling. So today we will learn many shopping phrases and we will use them in simple and natural sentences.
Yes, we will talk about buying clothes, asking for prices, trying things on, and even returning something.
Returning something is important because sometimes we buy things too fast.
Too fast? You mean like when I buy something in 2 seconds and then regret it for 2 years?
Exactly, but let's start slowly. When you enter a shop, the staff usually says, "Hello, how can I help you?"
And you can say, "I am just looking, thank you." This is very common and polite.
Yes, I'm just looking, thank you. But if you need help, you can say, "Can you help me find this?"
Or, "Do you have this in another color?" Because sometimes I love the shirt, but not the color.
Right. And sometimes the colors are too bright for me. I see some clothes and think, wow, this is brighter than my future.
Haha. Yes, some clothes look like they were designed by the sun.
So asking for another color is very useful.
And after you find what you want, you can ask, "Where is the changing room?" Or, "Can I try this on?"
Yes, this is very common. Trying clothes is important because things look different on the hanger and on your body.
Exactly. On the hanger, it looks amazing. And on me, it looks like a confused potato.
Ha ha. Yes, I understand that feeling. Okay, so we already learned many useful phrases, and that potatoes can be confused.
Yes, and we are just getting started. In the next part, we will talk about paying, returning items, and more real shopping conversations.
Welcome back to our friendly shopping chat. In the last part, we talked about asking for sizes, colors, and trying things on.
Ooh, this is the part that hurts my wallet the most.
Exactly. Now let's talk about paying for things. When you go to the counter, the staff usually asks, "How would you like to pay?"
Yes, and you can answer in many simple ways like by cash or by card. You can also say, "Can I pay by card?" if you are not sure.
Right, that's a very useful question. And sometimes they ask, "Do you want a bag?"
Yes, and I always say, "Yes, please," because I always forget to bring my own bag.
Same. I have many reusable bags at home. Another thing they sometimes ask is, do you need the receipt?
And I usually say, yes, I need the receipt, please, especially when I might return the item later.
Yes. Keeping the receipt is very important for returns.
Speaking of returns, let's talk about returning something.
Oh, yes. Returning things is very common. Sometimes we buy something too quickly, or maybe the size is wrong.
Or maybe we just make a shopping mistake.
Yes, a shopping mistake. So, what do you usually say when you want to return something?
Usually I say, hi, I would like to return this. And then I add the reason, like it doesn't fit or I changed my mind.
Those are simple and polite reasons. You can also say, do you have a refund policy?
Yes, that means you want to know if they give your money back.
And sometimes instead of a refund, the shop gives you an exchange.
Right. You can say, can I exchange this for a different size? Or can I exchange this for another item?
These phrases are very simple and helpful. And of course, when the shop staff finishes, they usually say, have a nice day.
And you can answer, thank you, you too. But sometimes I feel shy and just say, thanks, and run away quickly. I don't know why shopping makes me shy sometimes.
It's okay. Many English learners feel the same. That's why practicing simple shopping English like this is so helpful.
True. With practice, we can speak more confidently and enjoy shopping more.
All right, in the next part, we will practice a real mini shopping conversation with natural phrases and fun reactions.
Yes, a small role play to make everything easy and clear.
So don't go anywhere.
Stay with us for more fun English talk.
Welcome back. Now we will do a small, fun shopping role play to practice real life English.
Yes, let's pretend I am the customer and you are the shop assistant.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a t shirt. Do you have this in medium size?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the changing room?
It's right over there on the left side.
Thank you.
Okay, now imagine you try the t shirt and come back.
All right. Hi, I tried it on. I like it, but do you have it in another color? Maybe black.
Yes, we have black, white, and blue. Here you go.
Wow, thank you. How much is this one?
It's $15.
Oh, nice. That's a good price. I will take it
Great. How would you like to pay?
by card, please.
Here you go. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. And can I have the receipt?
Of course. Here is your bag and your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
And that's a simple, real shopping conversation.
Yes. And these sentences are perfect for beginners.
If you memorize just these lines, you can shop confidently anywhere.
True. And you can mix them with new words like shoes, jeans, bags, or jackets.
Exactly. Let's talk about describing clothes too, because this is also useful for shopping.
Good idea. For example, you can say, I like this because it is comfortable,
Or, this looks nice on me.
or this is too big, or this is too small.
Yes, these are simple but very helpful.
And my favorite one, this is on sale.
Everyone loves a good sale. You can also say, this color looks good on me, or I don't really like this color.
Yes, colors are important. Sometimes I love a style but not the color.
Same. Sometimes the color is too bright and I feel like I am glowing
Ha ha ha, like a human light bulb.
exactly. And finally, if you don't want the item, you can say, no, thank you. I don't want this.
Or I will leave it for now.
Those are polite and simple ways to say, no,
Yes, very useful for beginners.
great. In the next part, we will talk about shopping online and compare it with shopping in stores.
Yes, online shopping English is super important today.
Stay with us for more easy English conversations.
Don't go anywhere. We are having fun.
Welcome back again. Now let's talk about something we all do these days: online shopping.
Oh, yes, online shopping is my best friend and also my biggest problem
Ha ha ha. Why is it your problem?
because when I shop online, everything looks amazing until it arrives.
Ha ha ha. Yes. Sometimes the picture and the real product look like two different things. But online shopping has many useful English phrases too.
Yes. For example, when you search for something, you can say, I am looking for a new jacket online,
Or, I want to compare prices before I buy.
and a very important button, add to cart.
Yes, add to cart. Sometimes I add things to my cart just to feel happy, but I never buy them.
Same. My cart is full, but my wallet is safe.
Another phrase is proceed to checkout, which means you want to buy it now.
And you also choose your payment method, just like in a real shop. You can pay by card or sometimes by digital wallet.
Yes. And then you see the famous text, your order has been placed.
That sentence gives me so much joy.
Me too. And then you start waiting for the delivery.
Yes. And you check the tracking number every 5 minutes.
Haha, true. Even though it says on the way, we keep checking like detectives. Another important phrase is expected delivery date, which means when your order should arrive.
And online stores usually ask you to choose a reason for the return. For example, size too small, item damaged, or not as described.
Yes, and if the item arrives and you don't like it, you can say, I want to return this item.
Online, sometimes the color looks different because of lighting or filters. Yes, you can shop in your pajamas with snacks next to you.
The best feeling ever. In a real store, you can touch the product, you can feel the material and try things on. But online shopping is more comfortable because you can do it at home.
And online, you can find more options and compare many prices quickly.
So, both have good points. It depends on what you need.
Yes, if you want to try clothes, go to a store.
If you want to try clothes, go to a store. But if you want to save time or look for discounts, shop online.
We learned so many helpful expressions for real shopping.
Exactly. So, stay with us. We're almost done.
Now you can shop with confidence in English.
And that is a full shopping conversation you can use anywhere in the world. Thank you for listening to Everyday English 360. And don't forget to watch another video to keep practicing.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. See you in the next English podcast.